Huh? Where? I'm not joining no league. What are you talking about? This is the other side of Bowlero. We're out bowling tonight. This is what the lane's hitting for. Yeah, I gotta see the difference with the other side. The other side is way more packed. It's like where all the, I guess, younger people are. So, yeah. So this is the younger lane. Definitely see the difference in the lanes, child. Here we go, cheers. Cheers. Ew, not napkin cheers.
Let's do it again, let's do it again.
Let's go. Cheers. Lane.
You know what, let me get on my people watch it too. Let's give commentary. In the first lane. Uh-oh.
I took it for a friend.
One for you, one for me.
I would have ordered a drink earlier, child. I didn't know.
I thought I wasn't hearing correctly, but I definitely heard her say.
When you said the bar's closed, I was like, it's closed.
I mean, I couldn't see behind me, but you could see no one.
And then when I looked, she was cleaning the bar. I'm like, damn, bar is closed.
Yeah, she did us a solid.
Yeah, she did.
What's the problem? I'm saying, what's the problem? Hey, yo, chat.
Because you know what?
Please tell me this doesn't look incorrect, man. Her neck is in the wrong place. Her neck is in the wrong hole.
No, it's not. That's the
Put your neck
style.
correct.
That's the style.
Let me fix you.
That's the style. The style.
Since when? COVID? That's so crazy.
They don't do this in Africa, but that's the American style.
Girl.
In Africa, they don't do this, but that's
Your
the style.
neck.
This is the style in the Americas.
Oh, Lord.
I like how it's a mixed crowd. Everybody's chill. This side is chill.
Oh, they out there.
This side, I don't know about this side.
So how you gonna tell me Danny Lay's brother got his ass whooped in a bowling alley like this? That's crazy.
They got babies out here.
So
You see the
chill.
stroller?
Where? Oh, yeah. And
I know that's right.
Even behind us,
We
and over
gonna
there.
have- we gonna have date night, period. With stroller and all. You'll be like, I don't want the kids leaving the house. They can't come on vacation.
Maybe at that point I need to be able to afford a nanny. So date night is still date night.
Oh, that's true too. I'm sure you don't want to be with the kids all damn day. Especially because I want to be a stay-at-home.
Because they get a nanny from back home and come over here and work.
I'm not trusting y'all nannies back home.
Like for real.
After they left rocks up in your house.
Get
Remember the
someone
rocks?
to do like 6 months?
No, remember the baggies?
No. That's just no. That was one. But the maids that we had, we
That's
grew
no
up with
maids.
one.
We have moms.
No. But the maids that we grew up with, we had one that lost in 11 years, one
grew
for
up
4
with
years, and one for like 3 and 5 years. So we always had long-term ones, but in between there were some fucking suspects, like that one with the bags. Definitely. Otherwise, growing up,
I don't believe in nannies.
well,
There'll be no
I'm talking
nannies
about
for
a
my
maid,
children.
not a nanny, a maid
I don't trust people in my house.
from the same family village and everything.
No.
I'm just saying, you're gonna appreciate it when we get one. That's the thing, you've never grown up in an environment where you've had one.
I don't trust people.
That's the thing, you've never grown up in an environment where you've had one. Back home, everyone has a maid. It's not something like, oh, you have to be middle class or rich or anything.
Right.
Everyone has house help.
Right. I get it. I don't want one.
Look at house help.
I don't trust people in my house.
Look at house help.
You just don't want to wash no fucking dishes.
Look at this list. Look at this green little vibe. We're gonna go
You
buy
just
it.
don't want to wash no damn dishes.
Of course. I don't want to do laundry. I don't want to do dishes.
So, He's so lazy. It's crazy how lazy he is. Oh my god.
Yo, that's why we need to know each other's languages so we can just speak. Seriously, before we even have kids.
But why you saying nasty stuff?
Huh?
Why you saying?
That's how it starts. I don't like being this big.
I want you to gain 10, 15 pounds of muscle. Muscle. Not just pounds.
Oh, muscle.
So we've been saying that
That's a hot shot.
we've been saying that we want to go to the gym for a long time, and this one.
Babe, I thought we were gonna do it last weekend, but the clothes.
And then he didn't want to.
I was ready. The weekend before.
Okay, tomorrow.
Couldn't go. You're in Miami.
So tomorrow.
I'm at work tomorrow.
We go at night. Oh no, I have something about Saturday.
You go to date tomorrow.
Saturday. See how you get quiet?
There's no football, there's nothing.
See how you get quiet? Saturday.
I got nothing to do.
Okay, Saturday we go to the gym.
I got nothing to do.
Saturday we going to the gym. And I'm going to update y'all. I know what he's going to do. I ain't going to hear from him all day Saturday. Then he's going to come over at night. Let's just cuddle out.
Sugar.
I just came over for some sugar. I didn't come over to go to the gym. I drank my waters, yeah.
Sugar.
It's a lot to drink. I wish I could put it in a little bottle and go.
I don't mind chilling another 15-20 minutes while we drink. We'll be done by then. Might not like the strongest of drinks. Just chilling. Just being out the house.
Yeah, this is a nice day out.
Yeah. It's been good.
Date
I
night.
enjoyed this even without the bowling. Even though my complaining bad for once from you I can't even pick up the ball. All to see this. Look at that little kid. Oh my god. Yeah. No, I fucked it up.
So
Definitely not my kid. Useless.
Stop recording, but they cancel it.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. It's illegal.
Wait for her to clear up this one. She's getting down the line.
Now she's closing it.
And then
You're so stupid. Why would you do this? You just gotta get this out of his system. So we can get on. Hell yeah. Okay. You did all of that for this.
Y'all, I just got out of work, and guess what I saw outside? An ice cream truck. So it's lit.
This flavor is so different from when I was a kid. So they got pebbles, cones. Look how good this looks. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm back. Well, I'm back real quick because I'm actually headed to dinner. Let's see, put you up right here. Hey guys, I'm actually headed out to dinner. I'm waiting for my hair to dry a little bit. We're going to get some Colombian food, so that should be exciting. They have the best margaritas at this spot, so we're headed there now, meeting up with some family, and yeah, let's get it. I'll let you guys see what we're eating. Actually, I've eaten here before. You guys have seen it in previous vlogs, but I may or may not show what I get. I usually get the same 2 things. So, yeah. See you in a bit. So, we're having lunch at this restaurant, and they have, for the July specials, a Haitian taco. This is not a Caribbean place. This is like a regular ass bar. Look at this. That sounds like grill on top of a tortilla. What is traditional Haitian sauce? Like, what is that? Is that the sauce that comes with the menu? Like, I'm not sure, but this is what the rest of the menu looks like.